Hi guys, welcome to MathCube. Today we are attempting the second question of the Mathematics A Paper 2H, the higher tier 1. So without wasting any time, let's get working. So the first question states that the table shows, this is a table that information about the length of time, this is the length of time column in minutes. 120 customers spent in a supermarket. Okay, that's the total, 120 is the total. So they say the A part asks us that write down the model class which is of 1 mark. So guys, the catch here is look at the mark first. It's 1 mark. You don't have to show any working here, but you have to know all the small details about the frequencies of the model of the class and the median and the mean. But they're asking us the model here. So what we'll do is the easy trick to find the model of class from the frequency table is look at the highest mode. So the highest frequency here is this one, the 40, the 41. Or for your better understanding, I can write it as, so model can be figured out by the highest frequency. So our answer will be 50 less than L, which is in the length of time in minutes, less than or equal to 60. So that's our first answer. Now moving on to the B part, which states that work out an estimate for the mean length of time spent by 120 customers in the supermarket. Again, what I guys recommend you is before even attempting the question, look at the marks here. It's 4 marker question, so it requires a bit of working here. So I'll go back to the table and I'll teach you how to find mean from a frequency table. So we will find our mean in terms of frequency. So what we'll do is we'll find the cumulative frequency or written as. So how to find this frequency? Basically what we'll do is we'll multiply the midpoint of these length of the time and multiply them with frequency to find the cumulative frequency. So after multiplying all these frequencies, I'll be getting, so after multiplying the midpoint and the frequency, I'll get these results which are in front of you. And what I'll do is I'll add these results. So I'll be getting 5760. That's the total. And now if you people are wondering how did I find the midpoint, basically what I'll do is I'll show you. So the midpoint between 20 and 30, or the difference between 20 and 30 is 10, and 10 divided by 2, that half of 10 is 5. So we'll add 5 to 20, which will be 25. So 25 is the first midpoint of the first length of time. So that's how you find the midpoint. And now moving on to our question. So we got our cumulative frequency as 5760, and to find the mean length, what we will do is we will divide this cumulative frequency by the mean of frequency, the total, the sum of the sum of frequency. And our sum of frequency is 120 when we add all our frequencies, and so we will get something like this: 5760 divided by 120, and the final answer would be 48 minutes, and that's the mean length of time that is spent by a customer in a supermarket. And that's how you solve the stats question. I hope you liked the video and understood the method. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next part of this video.